Hey guys, I'm a new YouTuber named Eric. Damn it, I just gave away my name. Yeah, I was going to be Erica Games, but Eric's is the same thing. So yeah, today we're going to be playing Moo. If anyone doesn't know it, just go watch Corruptex, the best player of all time. It's a YouTuber too. So yeah. Okay, so the main goal of this is to collect materials, not die, and gain gold. Gold is over there in the corner. See, there's a player up there near me. See, he has a better sword than me. That's because he is new. See how I just killed him? That's because I'm a beast. I'm just kidding, I'm horrible at this game, but it's fine. I'm a beast! Come back down here. Okay. So yeah, these are bowls. That's probably why it's called Moo.io. So yeah. It's a cool game. I'm pretty good at it. Even though I say I suck at it, I'm actually pretty good. So yeah. See, these are upgrades in the corner. And these are in those, or in the top. And those in the right hand bottom corner, those are my materials. You can see I need a lot more. I need at least 500 or at least 300 wood and food each. So dude, the one I just killed. Come at me, bro. Some people may say I'm a hacker, even though I'm really not. Just good at this game. Some people say Corruptex hacks. But he's also just a spammer like I am. That guy's just as good as me, so I'm not gonna really challenge him yet. Oh, and see the kings right next to his name? That means he made his own clan. See, these are all the clans I can join. I'm gonna make my own. There's this music playing that you guys probably can hear. It's like amazing music. It's like bum 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 bum. So when you do this in these games, either you really want a team. Man, I'm jamming out to this music. Well, these are wolves. They give you a lot of food. See, look, I'm jamming out. If I hear that. So there's a river in this map. And there's food where you can just automatically heal. So see that little cookie down there where my mouse is pointing? That's how you heal. You can click it and do that. Or you can click Q or 2. See, because it's the second one. See, this gold is useful. You need it to get hats. Man, it's music, yo. Hats are up here in the store. I need 100 more gold so I can get one of my favorite hats. You guys can hear the music you'd be jamming out to. Look, you can also type in this game. Boop, 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 boop. Come on, here, bro. Bop, bop. Man, I'm fighting against two of these guys. Man, I gotta run. How many people there are here? Wow. See how my computer just spams out? It does that sometimes. When you just spam out. That's like the only bad thing about this game. Oh no, an ad. Please go away, ad. Why you bullying me? Why you bullying me? I'm gonna win this. I need to get this server over quick. Daggers is another upgrade. Here's Sid. Yeah, pretty good. I'm horrible with daggers. Only good with sword. But I'm still gonna go out people and see if I can get any kills. You know? Yeah. See how much gold this just gave me? Gave me a ton of gold. Oh, pencil. No, someone's good I could play against. Nice job, bro. Nice job. Gonna end this video now, because, you know, I'm a noob. So, they call me a noob. So see you guys. Maybe I'll probably be making a few more videos on different games. All of them I suck at. You know, Deep.io is probably my favorite game. Moo was pretty good too. But I'm probably gonna be playing Deep.io next time. So see you guys.